Okay, this is my sound system. It's a Bush Suitcase record player, which is okay. It's not too bad. It could be slightly better. I'm after getting a new upgrade. This is the CD player which I play my CDs on. I'm very impressed with it. It's a Panasonic, and I play mainly my CDs on it. I have played some vinyl on that, and the mono sounds very good on it. And we're going to do a new setup, and I'm going to set up my new sound system. And it's still a budget one on cost. It's a Lenco that was selling at 200 quid, and it was a Black Friday deal of 149, and it had an Audio Techniques stylus in it. So the Audio Techniques is the reason why I got it, and I'll probably do another upgrade in about a year's time and see how that goes. So yeah, this is my sound system. I'm in a small flat, so can't have anything too major or too big, or I'll annoy the neighbours. And so yeah, I'm going to change all this setup. That's my DVDs, and that's the TV. You're on TV, and that's PlayStation, Xbox, and some vinyl there. And so the biggest upgrade will be getting a bigger platter and the Audio Technics stylus and two proper speakers. And I think I have a hunch I might just need speakers, better speakers. So we'll see how this setup goes. So, and then these albums are, this is from the Shakin' Stevens Fire in the Blood box set. Absolutely excellent box set. And this is Elvis in Memphis, which I did an unboxing for. That's a fantastic CD. Both are fantastic CDs. I'll be playing both on my country show. So stick with me and we'll get the new setup set up. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the new gadget, and it was in the Black Friday sale, and the reason I got it was this baby here, the Audio Techniques stylus. So there's two styluses in it, so it's a bit of a upgrade from the Bush turntable, and the platter looks well, let's see what the platter looks like when we open it up. So I'm not going to open it up with one hand. I'll have it all out of the box, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, look at all this! Look at all this stuff in here. RC cables, I think. God, it's years since I had a proper setup. I used to have a NAT amp. I had JVC turntable and Kev speakers. So that's when I was living back home in Ireland, and it was good. And all the albums that I bought for £5, I'm seeing them now all going for £30. So okay, I'm going to take this lot out. Okay, this is what the record player looks like, just out of the box. The speakers are what's left inside the box, and that's the new new table. I'm going to have to get a smaller table to fit the Panasonic. That's my sim racing kit there. Okay, and we'll unwrap all of this stuff. Okay, just getting a closer look now to the turntable. Yeah, it looks like a big platter. Oh, and the Audio Techniques stylus. Okay. And yeah, this is kind of a beginner's kit. So I'm going to have a musical journey, as they say, and work with this one, and then we'll see in a year's time whether I'll stick with this or get something else. So let's finish on wrapping this. Okay, this is what it looks like outside of the box. It's not too bad actually. A little bit, yeah, a little bit. But again, I'm just learning this stuff, so there might be stuff going on here that I'm not sure about. So or that's the wrong word. Yeah, well, no, I kind of I'm just learning all this stuff. So that's a nice size platter. Probably could. Yeah, this doesn't look too promising, but as I said, I'm just learning. So we see how it goes, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And once I get it up and running, I'll be back. Okay, yeah, I have it all set up. I'll have to get a little under table for the CD player. But yeah, I have all this pressed set up. Am I impressed with it? Yes, I am. Is it better than the Bush? Yes, very much better than the Bush. And I'm very impressed with the Audio Techniques stylus. And yeah, this is mono, and it played stereo, and wow, it is just very, very good. So if you're in for looking for a budget player and not ready to go for the entry levels, I would try this one. And then I'm going to possibly upgrade the speakers next. And yeah, I'll see how that goes when I come to it. But I'm very, very much impressed with the Lenco over the Bush. So thank you, Bush. It was fun. And now we're onwards and upwards to bigger sounds. So this is Yay, and this is Bluetooth, so I can stick on the Bluetooth headphones and listen away. And just yeah, I'm quite impressed with this, and I'm really impressed with mono violin at the moment. And I'm going to search out for the Beatles in mono and Bob Dylan in mono and a load of other ones too. Look for all those classical ones. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, temporary setup until I get a decent hi-fi stand. Obviously for the top for the turntable, and then kind of bottom section for the CD player, and then underneath all nice room for storing turntables, and then kind of shall we say stands for the speakers. So yeah, this is really make do, kind of proper job stuff, and yeah, but still sounds good. Okay, thank you for watching this far, and shout out to Lenco and yeah, Panasonic. So yeah, just to make the one, and probably have a look on eBay now and see what I can find.